Hey, you guys. It is Mirsky, and I'm back with another video on manifestation and some manifesting tips. But I don't think these are tips. Maybe it could be, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna be talking about manifesting and 5 ways you are blocking your manifestations. 5 ways you are blocking your blessings from the universe, because you could be blocking your blessings and not even know it. And that's the saddest thing about it. Like, you might not even know. Like, you're getting frustrated and your manifestation isn't appearing. Like, what you're trying to manifest in your life is not showing up. You know what you want to see in your reality isn't showing up. So I'm gonna be telling you why what you're trying to manifest isn't showing up. So let's get into it. The first reason why is because frustration. Are you frustrated that your manifestation isn't showing up? Are you writing it down? Are you doing affirmations and stuff and it's not showing up? Are you, putting in some visual work and it's not showing up? It could be because you're putting resistant like energy into it, or you're frustrated about it not showing up. So that's like the same way with you, putting in that resistant energy, that lack mentality. Are you frustrated about your manifestation not, coming into fruition? That is the biggest way that you won't see, quick manifestations, or it won't happen for a long period of time, because you're not letting it go and releasing that frustration. You're just thinking about, like, you think you have to be thinking about it all the time, but that's not the case. You don't always have to think about your manifestation, what you're trying to manifest. You don't always have to think about your desires, because the universe is going to bring it to you. But if you keep holding that energy like I want, it's not coming. Why am I not seeing it? Then that's the only thing you're going to receive. That's what you're going to receive. You're going to receive, I'm not seeing it, I want it, it's not here. When is it going to come? If you're putting in frustrated energy, that lack energy, you won't see it anytime soon. I can guarantee you that. Like, you will not see it anytime soon. It can manifest, but when it does manifest, it won't feel the same as if you were to be putting, a more joyous, loving energy, and not being so frustrated and wanting it so much that it doesn't come how you expect, or how you want it to feel like when you were visualizing it. You get what I'm saying? Second way is if you are not letting it go. Like I said, if you are putting in frustrated energy, or you're putting too much resistance towards it, or you're not letting go of what you are desiring to manifest, it won't come, because all you're filling it with is wants. You're not filling it with, I have it, I am grateful, or being grateful for what you have now. Because it is important to allow gratitude in your life for what you have now, to have access to more things, or allow more things to come to you in abundant amount of ways, and to feel good about how it comes to you. You have to feel good about what you want to manifest, and you have to let it go, let it out of your mind. Don't always think that you have to be thinking about what you want to manifest 24/7, because you don't have to do that. One day you can write it down, then the next day you can just leave it be. Like, you don't have to be thinking about it all the time, because that's going to put too much resistant energy towards it. The third way is if you are not putting focus energy, or if you are not focused. If you aren't focused, then how are you going to put the right energy towards what you want? If you are not a focused person, because you have to focus your energy on a certain thing to have it manifest. If you aren't focusing your energy, that's what manifestation is. It's focusing all your energy on that one thing and allowing it to manifest. So once you discipline yourself more, ground yourself more, things like that, if you get yourself in alignment first, do the inner work, it will be much easier to manifest. Another fourth way how you're blocking your blessings is because you are not disciplined. You aren't well grounded. You are not, you know, in that right state of manifesting what you want fast, or, with an open heart. And that's the next one I was going to get to, because your heart is not open. But yeah, if you are not grounded, your energy isn't centered, it will, just like I said, you have to focus your energy. If your energy is all over the place, if you aren't well stable and balanced, your manifestations are going to take a lot longer, and it's going to be like feeling slow, like what you want isn't coming at the rate that you want it to. But that's because you aren't centered, grounded, and ready to manifest properly. Manifesting is easy. Well, it's simple. It's simple, but it's not really easy, because you do have to do a lot of inner work to get, the proper manifestations, or to manifest what you want, how you want it, and when you want it. Because you can be really specific, and your manifestation can come to you if you are, grounded and ready to manifest. The last way, or the last reason why your manifestations isn't appearing is because open yourself up to love and gratitude. Fill your heart chakra with loving energy. You don't want to put lack into your manifestations. You don't want to feel like you don't have it. Once you open your heart and you can see that vision, allow that heart chakra energy to go to that vision. You have to open your heart chakra to put love to that manifestation, to that vision. Because once you allow love into it, it becomes 10 times easier. It is faster once you put love into something. So open your heart chakra, meditate on your heart chakra, be kind to people, do kind things, be generous, and allow your heart chakra to open and balance itself out. So guys, I hope you liked that video. I will be back with another video. If you like this, why not clap the bell, subscribe, and like the video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.